Hi everyone, guess who's back? It's your favorite crypto friendly guy, the one who talks about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology every week with you and with your perspectives. So let's get to it. My name is Sahil and this is Crypto Clarity, guys. Hope you're all doing well and you had a great weekend. So, in today's video, I will be talking about 3 steps on recognizing the potential of a cryptocurrency. So there are heaps of ways out there in the market right now, but I choose to use these 3 steps that helps me understand the value of a crypto or understand the future of the investment that I'm making. Obviously, if you're using this as educational content, you have to do your own research still, but these 3 steps will help you a lot in understanding the value and potential of your cryptocurrency in the future. And I will also show you how you will be able to recognize these from different resources, and I will also give the link down in the description. So watch the video till the end and keep liking, keep subscribing, guys. That helps the algorithm, and that's a free way to support my channel. Alright, so without wasting any time, guys, I would like to tell you the 3 simple steps you can follow to understand the value of any cryptocurrency. So these ones are not so technical, they can be done by anyone starting out in this space. Just you need is an internet connection and obviously some websites that I will give you the link to, and you can find it out by yourself depending on what you are interested in. You can go to the different forums that I will talk about also, and then you can make your own decision depending on how much you want to invest and put aside for this kind of investment. So that I will be talking about in this video. Let's do that. So the first one is use cases. This is one of the biggest factor that I take into consideration, guys, before going into any cryptocurrency. So what are use cases? Use cases is anything that a cryptocurrency is trying to resolve. So take it as a problem that they're trying to solve. Bitcoin, there is Ethereum, and there are different types of cryptocurrencies, and everyone have a purpose and they are built for resolving a problem that is already in the system, and they want to resolve it through their technology. So you have to do valuable research on that and spend time on this step. The most time you should spend on this step, because this will lay the foundation of your mindset about this currency, and also how you see the value of this going up in future. So there are different ways to find out these use cases, but the best one is to go to the website of these cryptocurrencies like bitcoin.org or Ethereum's main website. If you are more into technical reading, you can also download their white paper, which is available for everyone to download, and you have to be a bit more on the technical side to understand that, but people also do that. So they understand the value and how this cryptocurrency or whatever they're trying to invest in will be used in future. So I prefer to use that as a use case and understand what and how it can be used in our day-to-day life as well. I try to analyze that, reading at different articles about it and how they are trying to solve that problem in particular industries, or anything like finance or DeFi. So that's something that you have to look out when you are trying to get involved in one of the cryptocurrencies. Next up is circulating supply of a cryptocurrency, which is analyzed by how much currency is already in circulation. So that is known by a different kind of factor. You have to go on different trading websites or something like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to find this information. This obviously tells you about how much this cryptocurrency is being used in day-to-day transactions. You will get a rough idea of how much people are, into this cryptocurrency, and you will see if that is having a use already in the market. So you can also monitor this over a time frame to just know, if people are regularly doing transactions over these cryptocurrency or not. So this is also included in the basic data of cryptocurrencies, usually provided by websites like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. I will link them down below for you just so that you know and understand them better. Circulating supply also tells us about the demand and supply. So this is like something in the real world market that we use to analyze how much there is a demand of anything. So you also see the value of cryptocurrency going higher if the circulating supply is almost at the cap of total mineable supply. Just like Bitcoin, for an example, it is a total quantity of 21 million, and already 18.5 million is in supply, circulating supply. So people are still using it, and the value is only going to go up because there are only 3 million Bitcoin left to be mined, which will slowly get mined in coming years. So this is also a big factor while understanding the circulating supply of blockchain technology, and you have to understand this also while getting into that space. So the third step that I follow is look for industrial collaborations and partnerships of these cryptocurrencies. So obviously I believe in the technology, and I feel that I want to know more about them and how will they be able to complete their use cases in the real world. And that is obviously necessary for these crypto projects to put some traction and get momentum to get to a higher value. And this process is usually helped by different projects and different companies partnering with them. So I prefer to find these in tandem to my investment strategy. So obviously there is a chance that these crypto go higher in future. Something I usually use is decrypt.co, and that is one of the websites that I use for researching, and also I keep an eye on the websites of different cryptocurrencies that I'm invested in, like BitTorrent or VET, VeChain Thor, that I usually talk about a lot because I see the potential in them, and obviously industrial partnerships which will take the price ahead in future. So that's one of the aspects of crypto technologies that I look into while investing in them. And obviously it's your choice to look into them or not, but obviously while doing your research you have to find these kind of things to make better decisions about your investment. So that's it for the video, guys. I will get to you next week, and obviously don't forget to like and subscribe. Just make sure that you understand what you're investing in before going into any investment in cryptocurrency. Obviously look in the comment section below, comment what type of cryptocurrency you are trying to invest in, and I might be able to make a video about it later on. So keep liking and subscribing. Thanks, guys. See ya.